Thought The Matrix was just a movie? Definitely not. I am here to answer all of your introduction to matrices questions. Hi, I'm Mary, I'm the girl who loves maths. Welcome to today's lesson. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to be the first to know when my weekly videos are released. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the wonderful world of matrices. We will be covering how the order of a matrix can be identified, as well as discussing the elements within a matrix. Before we get into our learning, make sure you download the free notes that accompany this lesson. The link for these can be found in the description section below. Let's now jump over to my iPad where we can begin our matrix introduction. Let's begin with what is a matrix. This here is a matrix. It provides us a way of organising our data into rows and columns, just like we would with a table. Now, the number of rows and columns a matrix has is considered its order. So if you have a look at this matrix below is made up of 3 rows and 4 columns. So as we just identified, this matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns, so we write the order like this. 3 by 4. Now, each of the little numbers inside the matrices are called elements. We can use an abbreviation when we're discussing these elements. So if we take a look at matrix labelled matrix A down here, if I'm going to be discussing the elements inside this matrix, I use a lowercase a to represent an element. I'm using a lowercase a in this example because our matrix is actually labelled with a capital A. If I wanted to abbreviate the element number 7, this 7 appears in row 1, column 2. So the element is in row 1, column 2. Similarly, if I wanted to focus on this 5 down here and abbreviate this element, I would say that the element in matrix A, row 3, column 4, is a 5. So that's how we abbreviate the elements within a matrix. How about we take a look at a quick example to help consolidate your learning so far. Let's take a look at this example. We've got matrix C here. Jumping down to question A, we need to find the order of this matrix. We can see that this matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. So we can say the order of this matrix is a 2 by 3. Next, we need to find the element in row 2, column 1. Second row, first column is this one here. So we have value number 7. And finally, what is the abbreviation for the location of the element 1? That occurs in row 2, column 3. So we can write that in matrix C, element 1 occurs in row 2, column 3. If this video is exactly what you were searching for, please give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below. Share this clip with any of your friends who might also find this lesson helpful, and make sure you download the free notes that highlight what today's lesson was all about. Link in the description section below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.